Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we'll be drawing a beautiful colorful flower. So grab your green color and let's start. So let's draw a line and like this. Very easy. That's good. Now grab your yellow color and put it like a nice circle. That's going to be the middle of the flower, a little bit on a distance, so there is a distance. That's going to be like the space for the petals. Now the next thing, grab red and let's do the petals. And of course you can do them any shape, but mine gonna look like a heart, like this. And if you have the gap like me, don't worry, we can continue the green line later on. I have room for one more. That's good. Look at our beautiful flower. Grab green and let's connect like this. That's beautiful. And while we have green, let's add a few leaves. So I'm gonna add a few small ones and some big ones as well. So now let's add one here, maybe one there. How about one more here? And you decide if you want them big or small. That's good. Now the next thing, put your green, like either marker or pencil, whatever you're using, aside, and let's color the petals. And I'm gonna start with red. The next one I'm gonna color orange. Now let's do it pink. That's good. That's beautiful. The next one, let's do it purple. Good job. And last one, I'm gonna do it nice and bright blue. There's so many different kinds of flowers, so whatever color you pick, I'm sure there is a flower like this. So now the next thing, grab a darker color. If you maybe have a dark blue or you have dark purple, and we're gonna add some details. So from the middle, I'm gonna just add like a few lines on each petal like this. That's good. The next thing, grab a lighter green. So if here you were using dark tone, here you can use a lighter green. And let's color the leaves. That's beautiful. Now grab dark green again, and right in the middle of the leaf, just add a line. Like right in the middle, just add a line. Same thing we're doing with all the leaves. Like this. That's so nice. And our flower is done. So if you want one final thing, grab like a nice happy yellow and let's do a few colorful dots. Here, just a few more here. That's good. And my flower, my drawing today is done. Thank you so much for doing this lesson with me. Please subscribe so we can do more creative projects together. Thank you, guys.